Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and today we're opening up two Hot Wheels Exotics cars from the Hot Wheels 2020 NK, so let's dive straight into it. Alright, now first up, we're opening the Aston Martin One-77 car, 7 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Exotic Series for 2020. This is from the 2020 N case. Take a look at this beautiful red car. Those nice white stripes on the hood and the roof there, wearing those chrome Y5 wheels, tinted windows. I've got a pearl white interior, very, very nice. Got that grey base on the bottom there. Really nice looking car. I actually like the headlights on it as well. Take a look at the detail. Very, very nice. Big thumbs up for this car. Make sure you are a subscriber of the Hot Wheels Garage. Next up, it's this McLaren P1 car, 9 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Exotics for 2020. Look at that. This color is really, really nice. What are we going to call that? It's a dark gray, almost got a bit of a blue tinge in it, but let's get it off the card and check it out. Man, take a look at this one. Those 10-spoke wheels in black look pretty cool. We've got the McLaren symbol on the hood there. We've got those nice headlight details, tinted window, black interior. We've got the details on the rear there for the tail lights. Very, very nice car. Black base. You know what? I think this is probably the best release I've seen of the McLaren P1. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure you have smashed a like.